Hello students, let us discuss some maths regarding your nature of rules once more with a suitable example. Okay, so the equation is given like 2x square plus kx plus 8 equal to 0 is given. Okay, could you follow the question? 2x square plus kx plus 8 equal to 0 is given. And the question is asking what value of k. What is the value of k? Does the equation this have equal roots? Okay. So you have to remember the formula. What are the conditions for having equal roots? Okay. What is the condition? Equal roots. Who can say? D equal to D must be 0. Okay. What is the value of D? D is discriminant and D has value b square minus 4ac. That means D is given 0. You have to understand this one by having the data equal roots. So b square D equal to b square minus 3. That means according to question b square minus 4ac equal to 0 is given. Okay. So b square is how much? 4ac. If minus 4ac, I will take to other side. It will be plus 4ac. Now do the one. A is how much? 2. X square term is A. B is how much? X term is B. K. And C is how much? The constant term 8. So now let's calculate. B square means K square equal to 4 into A. A is 2 and C is 8. Okay. What is the K square value? 4 to 8, 8 64. So value of K is 64. Root over 64. That means plus minus 8. Okay. This is the answer. So for the value of plus minus 8 of K, for the value this one, it has equal roots. Okay. Understood? If there is more problem or more doubts are there, then message me for your doubts having a different question. I will explain in your next video. Thank you.